Hi Ray, putting together a new brief for you. At the moment you can see here that I've got the map page and I've got the demo page. Now what we would like to do is push the point forward for people more, that there are more markers kind of like down here. There's more markers available, but they can't get them until they unlock the premium content. So essentially all of these markers we're going to bring onto the demo page, and all of these markers are going to be grey, and the demo markers that you can see here are going to be blue as they are now. So we're going to introduce a whole lot of grey markers onto this map. And when you zoom over, mouse over the grey markers, I'll just go to Photoshop. I've just done a mock-up that looks like this. So it's not going to say Flinders Ranges, it's going to say premium content. Learn more, unlock now. Unlock over 400 free attractions Australia-wide. I made this bar a little bit wider to accommodate that text. And also, as another note, I had some feedback that if I go back to here, that this space here is still causing people to accidentally click the image. If we can just keep the alignment all the same, but just increase this bar slightly for these, that would be great. So that's kind of one job. And then getting back to the other job. So this bar in the mock-up, I've widened it. Unlock over 4 free attractions Australia-wide. So maybe the same size bar, but with this one looks like it does. So obviously learn more, unlock now have the same hyperlinks as these two buttons here. The only other thing that needs to be mentioned is that if I go to the map, so viewed at the moment is grey. So what I'm going to need to do to make this all work is to come up with another icon with a different color and another marker with a different color. I'm thinking orange or red, so that when viewed is clicked, it's going to be orange, red, something like that. So viewed color is going to change. That will enable us to make all of the demo markers that are not accessible grey, and when you hover over them, it's got this page here. I'll send you a screenshot of this mock-up so that you've got it as a reference. Premium content is the words, looking like that. I'll send this to you now. Let me know if you've got any questions. Thanks, Ray.